choose because there are a lot. Now, this is for the ball or a top to go outside or for the swimming pool. Then I'm going to do a swimming pool in another video. Well, I'm gonna do it now because I love swimming pools. And I want them for the Barbie. So I'm gonna put the swimming pool shirt here, there. Now, we're going to put this one that is with one little thing that it's put like this. Your arm goes here and another arm just goes wide and free. Oh no, it has another one like this too. Ooh, and it has sorts of shapes and stars and planets. Ooh, spacey. And it's for the summer, so yeah. And here it has some little gems. Ooh, I love gems. I love sparkly stuff, as you see me. And now I have here a wedding gown dress. Because look, it has all the flowers and it's all white. Yeah, and a lot of white. Not more pink and summer colors and party colors. So I'm going to just clip it and put it in. Now, here we have another dress, but it's not for the Barbies, so I'm gonna put it apart. Now, we have here another dress. Ooh, it's all sparkly and glittery. Sparkly with glitter, all pink and glitter. And here's a little row of white row. And here it has two tiny things. Oh, so cute. And now it has black and white stripes. Ooh. Sounds enjoying. Now, here we have some normal pants. And here on the pants is a little bit of orange. And I'm gonna just flip the pants and put them in. Here we have another dress, but it's all sparkly and blue. And here is a little fluffy straight some line of black and fuzzy line. And here we have pink. And these are two holes for the hands. I'm gonna just clip here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now we have here a blue dress with some white big flowers. Whoa. And here we have a medium flower with pink and blue. Obviously this is blue, so yeah. Blue flower, blue everything is on the dress. Wait, just find the clip. Here. There you go. Let's put it on. Yeah. Now, this is for Chelsea, for her parties and everything. And it's fuzzy. It's pink with polka dots and some little white, I don't know what. It's, I don't know, hearts or something like that. Yeah, it's hearts. And here's some golden paper. And for here, it's black to zip it. And there we go. Oh, and I missed something, her thing. And now it's really put a hand over here and then go free with the other. Now we're going to put this one. Whoa, this one has a lot of colors. It has white, it's all white. And it has brown, golden, green, and pink. Ooh, and here is all white. the dress, and I think it's a dress for walking around in the street. Yeah. Ooh, this one is all pink. I love pink. Pink and sparkles is my color. And confetti, I love confetti. Obviously in balloons. Well, we'll stop talking about this and talk about the dress. So this is a pink dress with a skirt, a pink, transparent pink skirt. And here is some flowers, embroidery, and some little shapes. So here, ooh, pinkish. Yeah, I love it. And here's some patterns of orange. Pink and orange really goes together. And golden, obviously. Look, see? Gonna just put my hair good. Now, here we have a white yellowish dress and with a pink skirt and a bit of white skirt or yellow, I don't know. And here we have some embroidery again and some little shapes and patterns. There. I'm gonna just clip it all. And here we put it in. Whoa, put it in. Okay, here we have a little skirt, a dress, and the skirt is with white flowers, so cool all around it, you see. And in the upper part is pink, all pink. I like this one, it's for summer. Ooh, this one is all pinky-ish. It's pink and a lot of pink embroidery and a transparent white skirt. And here is some white, a little bit of white, just a little bit, because it's mostly pink. Pink dress, pink skirt. It has to match. And here is a little skirt for Chelsea. It's all blue and with white polka dots again. Let's put it in. And here we have a black and white dress, ooh, with a shiny belt, yeah. And here for the clipping part we have green. I love yellow or green and the mix of green and yellow. Yeah. Ooh, here we have a tidying skirt. Ooh. And here we have different ones. White, blue, dark blue, white, light blue, white, dark blue, and purple. And here's for like you put your skirt and then you zip it up like this. I'm gonna just put it in. And here is a skirt, but for Anna. Yeah, this skirt is for Anna. And it's all sparkly with rainbow sparkles. And it's all blue. I have rainbow sparkles. So it's my type. Ooh, and this is for Cinderella. Yeah, with all the golden stuff and sparkly and rainbow. I love it. I'm gonna just zip it up. I'll put it in. Then for our last and final dress, we have a green dress with a transparent skirt, a white transparent skirt, and some shapes and circles and flowers, green flowers, and I love it. And green, I love this part. So greeny. Whoop! I fell. Now I'm gonna just zip it up and we put it in. So we did all the dresses and I'm gonna just zip it and that's it for the dresses. That's it. Okay, now we're going to do all the shoes. Now, first we're going to do for the Anna part. Here are 2 black shoes for Anna and they have a sort of pattern of arundel. Yeah, I love with the black heel. And we are going to put this pair in my box that I glued my own, and it's made of wood and with a little bit of help of my dad. So let's put another shoe. Ooh, 2 more of Rana. I'm gonna put them here with the others. Oops. Not all of the shoes fit in here. That's why I'm struggling a bit here. 1, and here we put the 2. It's okay if it is disorganized because they're boots, so they're a bit high. Now we are going to do these black ones. Ooh, they have dots all over them. And the heel, and all over the heel also, and here to the point. So, we are going to put the black shoes in here. 1 and 2. Yeah. Now, we are going to get the Elsa ones, all bluey. Yeah. So cool. And they're transparent a bit. So I'm going to put just 1 and 2. Okay, they fit 2 more there, but little ones. So I'm going to get these ones that are for Cinderella because I lost the shoe like in the movie. So now they don't fit anymore, so I'm gonna put them over here. Now, these 2 heels are very big. There we go. With a very high heel, so yeah, they're very big. Ooh, these are for Chelsea. She has 2 skirts, 2 shoes. Now, these shoes are for horse riding. You see the little dots here, or lines, or whatever they are. I'm gonna put them here. And here are the other 2 shoes of Chelsea. These are for going to school and for going everywhere. And they're all yellow with a little bow here, if you can see it. If you don't see it, it's because it's very little, the bow. There. Okay, now we're passing to the heels. These are such good heels. They're all orange and with flowers. Yeah. I'm gonna put them over here. 1 and 2. Ooh, these are all orange with some lines. Ooh, yeah. I got the other pair. 1 and 2. And now we have these ones. They're the same of these ones, but they have some little lines, purple here, and purple flowers this time. Oh, yeah. 1 and 2. Perfect. Now we are going to pass on these ones. They're all pink with some zipping ones and a shell. So we're going to put them over here. 1 and 2. And now, ooh, I love these. They're boots with some little heels. And they're all with some little dots, and here big dots, and then little stripes. 1, whoops. 1, ah! They fall. Why do they fall? Why do they fall always? Well, I'm gonna leave these apart because they fall. And now we have these blue ones, only blue, with a pointy. Don't fall, please don't fall. Hey. They don't fall. Now, these are blue ones with polka dots, seashells, some sea waves, and a lot of more stuff. One, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. Yes! Now these, where's the other pair? Okay, I lost that. I lost that pair. Okay, now we are going to put these ones. Ooh, they don't have a heel, but they have this this thing that I don't know how to call it, okay? I just know it in Spanish, but I'm not gonna say it in Spanish because it's a really hard word. There. Okay? And now we are going to put these ones. Ooh, they have stripes. Like, I had these ones, right? Another one too. No. Oh yeah, I have them, but in pink. Yeah, there we go. And these ones are almost for ballet, but not for ballet. See? 2 heels. Whoa, almost fell. Yes. Now for the hard part. Okay, I'm gonna just put them there. Yay! One done. Okay, I'm gonna put that one. Please don't fall. Yes! I did it. So, see you in my next video. So guys, in the next video we are going to organize the Sylvian family cat's house. You see all the disorganized things? Ooh, Chippy, come on. Stay here. Good girl. Oh, this is my little owl. He's so cute. Hamster, I mean.